making dirty cabbage. So I've been seeing the dirty spaghetti go viral, but I'm trying to watch what I'm eating during the week. So to switch things up and make dirty cabbage. And this did not miss. This is a recipe you must try. And if you're trying to lose some weight and eat healthy right before the summertime, this meal prepped so well and it was easy. And I did it in less than like 30 minutes.
So we're going to start off by slicing our turkey sausage. I love this brand from Whole Foods, and I just prefer to use this turkey sausage because it has healthier ingredients than a lot of the other turkey sausage that's out there. But use whatever you can find, you guys. I'm just giving you my recommendation. You can use any turkey sausage that you have available to you. I also prepped my prepped my green pepper and my red pepper and onion at this time. So I cut everything up at the same time. Just forgot to record it. But what I'm doing right now is searing the sausage. You just want to sear it so it has this nice color here. And then we're going to put in our ground turkey. And we're just going to cook this down about halfway. And then we're going to add in our garlic. And I just want to say here that make sure you're using fresh minced garlic. If you don't like chopping up your garlic, get a food processor. I see so many people using the garlic that's in a jar, and yeah, it's just not good for you. So let's stay away from it. Now I'm going to add in my green pepper, red pepper, and my onion. And we're just going to cook this down also. And then add back in the sausage. Now, I would have added in the tomato paste prior to the sausage, but I forgot. So I did it after, which is totally fine. Just make sure that you are cooking out the tomato paste. Like, make sure you cook it thoroughly so that you don't have like that raw tomato paste in your food. But once you cook all of this down, you're then going to add in a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. I use Tony's Creole seasoning. And then once you do that, you are finished with your meat. I'm now washing and cleaning my cabbage. I used the one head of cabbage and I thinly sliced it. So you're going to add it to a separate pot because the cabbage is going to shrink down, but it just wasn't all going to fit in that last pot. So I'm also adding in 1 cup of chicken bone broth just for extra protein. And then I'm adding in the meat mixture on top of the cabbage. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of this chicken bouillon paste. I love this paste. So I did about 2 teaspoons of this. And then you're going to allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, your dirty cabbage should be looking like this. Now, you don't want to overcook this. So I think 15 minutes is a good enough time to allow everything to combine. And now you're just going to mix everything up together, and then you're going to add your salt and pepper. I put in the description how much salt and pepper I added to the mixture. But you can do as much salt and pepper as you need, like add to your taste level. Because this is a healthy dish, I do want to watch the sodium level on this. So I didn't add too much, but like I said, add to what you feel is comfortable. But this dish came out really amazing. I'm so surprised, and I will be making this throughout the rest of the summer and springtime. And it meal prepped really well. I was able to get about 4 to 5 meal prep dishes out of this. This is a very high volume dish. And when I mean like high volume, the cabbage is low in calories. So you can like eat a lot of the cabbage and, feel very full. But let me know if you guys would like more healthy dishes. Are we trying to get fine for the summer? Let me know, because I will then make more videos according to this.